Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in eastern Long Island, all the way out east, like in almost to Orient Point. I was driving down Sound Avenue and I just spotted this car, guys. Check this out. GTO. Sitting here by a barn in the middle of nowhere. It's like crazy. .5 liter. Isn't her shifter. Just sitting here. The ram air hood on there. Car's just sitting here. Just trying to see the VIN. I can't see with the water on there, but car's been off the road since 1986. This is awesome. Vinyl top, original vinyl top. Seats look great. Oh, it must have been that. Looks like original paint, to be honest with you. A lot of dirt on there. I like that airborne patch. Probably somebody bought it after they got back from Vietnam. This is awesome, guys. GTO just sitting here in eastern Long Island on the side of the road by a barn. Guys, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel. Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Find all these cars in Long Island, New York. I gotta try to find the owner of this thing. So, what do you think, guys? Leave those comments down below. Hit the bell notification. Subscribe to my channel. I don't want to go in it, but I want to see how many miles are on it. Car is open. Oh, so must have changed the door. 99,000 miles are on it. Interior is pretty good. Stay out of this thing. Oh man, this thing is awesome. So there it is, guys. GTO on the side of the road. Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Peace out.